Hey everyone, I will be in India right now as you're watching this, so I'm not actually here, I'm filming this in advance, but I just wanted to wish you all a very happy Christmas, and if I was at home instead of being in India, I would probably be wearing this today, Le Air de Desamericain by Andy Tower. I feel like if I would be around at Christmas this year with family, I think I would reach for this in my collection to wear as the scent of the day. Beautiful, ambery, sweet, spicy, warm, cozy. I think that would be a perfect choice for Christmas. As it turns out, I'm not here, so I shan't be wearing it. Hypothetically, this will be my scent of the day. Maybe I'll wear it next year if I'm around next year. But I just wanted to wish you all a very happy Christmas today. Thank you for supporting me through the year, for supporting my channel, and if you've supported my brand as well, Centauri Perfumes. I really do appreciate anyone who's ever bought a sample or a bottle. Thank you. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day, and if you get to spend it with family and eat nice food, that's amazing. I have no idea what I'll be doing. I'll probably be on my own, I would imagine. But yeah, so yeah, hope you have a good day. I won't actually be taking any perfumes with me to India apart from one tiny little attar that I have made, which is here. I'll probably take this with me, which is a blend that I made specifically for the trip. Like I said, I don't want to take a bottle of perfume with me. But this is pure Indian sandalwood essential oil blended with real Pink Lotus Absolute with a little bit of jojoba oil. But really just a small amount of that, and really it's just it's basically sandalwood attar with lotus. I might apply this now and again while I'm in India over the 4 months that I will be there. So yeah, I'll be smelling of sandalwood and lotus at some point. Be blessed, have a good day, and I will see you again with another video. Take care everyone, bye.
One time he disappeared for 2 or 3 days. When he came back, they asked him where he'd been, and he said, "Oh, just sailing."